Based on these 6 theories, the 3 content theories and the 3 process theories, there are a few implications for managers. First, try to enhance the intrinsic motivation of a job. Managers might be able to make adjustments to the job or to the rewards and outcomes of certain performance levels. Intrinsic motivation tends to be stronger and last longer than extrinsic motivation. Plus, people have a need for meaningful work, for purpose. Managers should also try to enhance their employees' perceptions of autonomy and their beliefs about their abilities. When people feel like they have some level of control over their work, and when they feel like they are prepared and ready to do their work, they are more motivated to work than someone who feels micromanaged or incompetent or unprepared. Managers should work with individual employees to help them set specific and challenging goals, as opposed to general or easy goals. Together, they can come up with goals that meet the organization's needs, but also the employees' needs. And then managers need to provide continuous feedback as their employees attempt to reach their goals. Many of these theories of motivation suggest that managers need to clarify performance expectations, make it very clear what people are expected to do and how well they're expected to do it. One way of doing this is to provide realistic job previews during the recruitment and selection processes. Be open and honest about what the job requires so that people who are attracted to the job, to the organization, know what they're getting into before they apply. One of the worst things we can do in terms of motivation is to violate someone's psychological contract or their expectations about what they are required to do for their organization and what their organization is required to do for them. If people expect one thing, but we give them another, their motivation will greatly suffer.